my gosh, you guys. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. And I'm coming to you with all sorts of sexiness and prettiness today. Where are we going?
Pool.
We're going to the pool. Sorry, carrying the pot to the pool. She's ready to dance. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? It's been a long day. I haven't seen you guys all day, but it's okay. I'm seeing you guys now, and right now I'm just all sorts of over the place because I'm trying to head out to go to the pool for the first time outdoors. With the kids, so we're heading to the pool. I promised Ella that I would take him to the pool today. It's not extra sunny today, but you can feel the heat. You just feel miserable already, and it's not even July yet. Honey child. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well. If it's first time to the channel, be sure you subscribe right now. And Sarah is just talking away. She said we need to go. She said, Mama, stop talking and let's go. Anyway, you guys, subscribe to the channel if it's your first time. Give this video a thumbs up. And let's head to the pool. Who's ready? I'm in my bridesmaid bag. I got this bag from when I was bridesmaid in Elaine wedding. Anyway, you guys, we're heading to the pool.
Obligatoire.
Ah oui.
C'est yellow party. Tu l'avais parce que t'es passé à la douche avant.
No, 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 no.
La douche est importante.
No, Tyler. You go that way and this way, okay? Across. Don't go that way. This way, this way. Okay, so you can still come around here and you can go. She's having the time of her life. Already known as Sarah is a water baby, and she's having the time of her life in this water right now. Look at her. Sarah, look! Sarah, look! See? Tala. Shoot, Sarah want to jump out of her tube. Literally jump out of her tube. No, stay in. Mama! Pool was a success. The kids had so much fun. I am back. I'm finishing up dinner. Of course, you guys know that I prepped before I left. So I made pasta and fish, and I steamed some veggie, which I'm going to use to make soup right now. My veggies are broccoli, zucchini, carrot, and what? Sweet potato. And I'm gonna blend all of this up, and I should get a nice little soup. See that? All right. All right, guys. Soup for the kids. I'm gonna give it to them now because it's just enough warmth for them, and I'm making mine extra hot. So by the time mine hot, they'll be ready.
Mama, what are you looking at me?
Eat.
The camera to look if I'm looking at the TV?
Yes. I didn't say to dance, I said to eat. Soup time done, and it's time to eat. Tyler and Sarah is having the same thing, pasta and fish. Pasta and fish. Where are those two? Look at them. Sarah, where's Tai Tai? Sarah, where's Stella? You guys, I didn't even show you guys that the work continued in the house to change the lighting. So Sarah, remember Sarah one was right here on the wall. So her friend run the line along and put it now in the middle where it belongs. Now we need to find a lamp to fix this. So he's gonna send us the one to buy so it can be perfect up there. And Tyler's room is the same. And as you guys can see, Sarah now have the kitchen that was in Tyler's room because she plays with it a lot. So Tyler's room now have a little bit more space. Yeah, so Tyler light that was right here in the corner is now in the middle. Also, we need a lamp for that one. And remember I told you guys about this light in the passage that I needed. The second one that we took from the front door to go here. And voila, it's here. Let me show you guys from the other angle what it looks like. So my vision was right for this one. So you see, it fits perfectly. It's two of them and the two of them is right here. So instead of throwing away that one that we took from here, I put it there. So this is what the walkway looks like now. It's just perfect. And I got some new photos up of the family. This is an upgrade of my sister, my eldest sister in Jamaica. My niece, her baby daddy, and her twins. This one is my father-in-law. His 3 kids, 1, 2, 3, and their kids, Tyler, Sarah, Noam, and what's his name? Jules. And this is my brother, photo upgrade of my brother with his 2 kids. That's my niece Olivia, and that's my nephew Connor, and that's my amazing, amazing, amazing sister-in-law, Anika. I got some more new photos that I put up. Finally put this one of Babe and I. When I was pregnant with Sarah, I never have any up of getting pregnant with Sarah. I put this little one. This is my mom and her husband. And this upgrade of, I didn't have any picture on the wall with Sarah and Tyler together, so I put that one. And of course, Jen. This is our friend Jen and Tala favorite girl. This is Babe best friend Nico. They're his wife Miriam, which is a really good friend of mine. They're godparents of Sarah. And this is Babe's sister with her son Tyler Sarah, and Babe and Sarah and Tyler. So we're getting some upgrades going on here. Dinner is done, but I am still in the kitchen because I'm on a mission. I have some beetroot in the fridge for a while now from I made my first set of beetroot juice. I don't remember if you guys, I don't know if you guys remember that, but I have some beetroot left over. Beetroot is one of the hardest things to spoil, and it's been a while since I have them in the fridge. So I'm going to use them to make some juice with some carrot that baby is not a fan of. But I have some grapes here. These grapes, I bought them last week and the week before that, but when you eat them just like that, they are so bitter. I mean, the skin itself is so bitter, so I find that when I bite it, I just suck out the middle and throw it away. So I'm gonna juice those for Babe and probably the kids. And yeah, so let's go make some juicy juice. Sarah! Tyler is actually helping me to pull the grapes off the stick because, of course, I'm not going to juice these and juice the stick.
Nah, you're not going to do this stick right there'll be
grape stick juice.
No, there is going to be, if you drink the grape stick juice, you're going to have a tree in your body.
I'm going to have a tree in my body? That's not true.
Yes, but also when you eat it, there'll be a tree.
No, that is not true.
Yes, that's true.
No. Who tell you that? No, that's not true.
And
We eat many seeds. That's not real. I eat many seeds and they're not growing inside my body. Then tree branches would be coming and leaves would be coming on my ears and out my nose and out my mouth and my eyes and my bottom.
Lizard?
What?
You just said lizard.
No, I said leaf would be coming out my ears and my bottom.
Your bottom? But your bottom is going to be the branch of the tree.
My bottom is gonna be the branch of the tree. Hi, you're too funny.
Il y a plus Papa, il y a plus d'autocollants là-bas. Regarde.
Ça va? Ça marche?
Quoi?
Le potier?
Un petit peu, pas beaucoup.
Quand elle a envie, elle dit pas potier.
Hein?
Elle va pas, c'est toi qui la mets, mais elle tout seule, elle va pas au potier.
Oui, elle va 2 fois.
Ok. Tout le monde a mangé?
Oui.
Bonjour!
Bonjour, papa.
Non, c'est bonjour to the camera.
Somebody just walked in, you guys.
No!
Somebody just walked in this house. Where does he think he's going at this time of the day? Where does he think he's coming from?
7:30.
At 7 o'clock. Where?
They
You
all
better
not
go
good,
back.
they all bitter.
Taste it now and tell me. I'm gonna make juice for you with them.
The mixed feeling, bad, but as usual. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is Tuesday. Tyler, you went to the pool or not?
Yes?
Good. You say thank you to Mama?
No.
Why you didn't say thank you to Mama? Why?
I'm sorry.
So go kiss and say thank you to Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
No. You kiss and hug and say Tyler, I'm not playing. No. Tu fais le tour. On a dit pas debout sur le canapé. Tu fais le tour, tu fais un bisou, un câlin à maman, tu dis merci maman pour être allé à la piscine. I have to do everything with this kid. Ah, that's better. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Oh, I got a vaccine today.
tell you guys about that.
You got the vaccine? Ooh.
Babe got his vaccine.
Feel the pain?
It's paining you?
Yeah, I feel the pain.
Numb.
Yeah, I can't use much my
Mm-hmm.
left. But I have good news. Normally, only one shot. The
Only getting
stamp,
one.
the stamp off.
And you're getting one because
Because I still have a lot of things coming
because
up.
he had COVID. That's why
I
he's only
COVID,
getting
so
one.
they give me one. They say only one for you. So
Well,
yeah.
I gotta get two. You gotta get one.
So that was my day. Also make a surprise. I also start to plan about summer trip. Gonna tell her everything soon. Gonna tell her everything soon. But everything is fine, and I hope you all doing well. I hope you all enjoying the nice weather that come back.
Oh yes.
And somebody went to the pool.
Oh yes.
Somebody?
Oh yes.
Somebody sexy Sarah?
Yes.
Yes.
We must go to the pool.
Alright, catch you guys.
Mama, what did you say?
Come, Mr. Give Trouble. Let's end the vlog. So why are you screwing like that, sir? That will wake you up.
That's nasty. You're nasty.
What did I do?
Yeah, burp like Shrek.
I'm your Fiona. I'm the Fiona to your Shrek, my love. That's a good one.
That's so true. I mean,
I'm the Fiona to your Shrek. How about that?
Princess drink, fart, and burp.
You guys don't
Very
y'all
loud.
fart, burp, and
Very loud.
do all that very loud, no?
They
Okay.
don't. Nobody burp that loud as you. Nobody fart as stinky as you. And
You're up me laundry, man. Continue. They know everything about me. Tell them. Where you stop for? Hey, you guys, that's what you know you're comfortable with your partner. You know, Babe and I always remember when we just met and when I came to France for the first time. Babe couldn't even see me going into a bathroom or a toilet. Who? You must mad.
now
No, me not
she
go
a go
share.
toilet and she not close even the door to make the smell going out of the toilet.
You're that comfortable with your partner. You want me slap you for your vaccine hand? You finished? You done? You're not done?
This is the last time I laughed that much.
You're too funny.
I was trying to imagine the things. You killed me. You killed me. Ooh. And that's the truth. Trust me.
That's the truth. That's the truth.
Ooh.
No shame in my game. But when we just met, oh God.
Shy little
I'm
girl.
shy like and full of pride. No, I'm not pride. Must probably under the bed. End of vlog. Go to two out there. Rude.
Hey guys, yeah, it's the end of the day. France beat Bulgaria.
Yeah.
Friendship, the European Championship for the football is about to start, and you can be sure that we're gonna be hot like in a walk.
Sizzling. Let's see if France gonna win.
Hot like in the last World Cup.
So for the next few days, my husband will be watching.
We'll fight the German to start.
Germany in the group?
France, Germany first. And then Portugal to
France
fight.
and Germany gonna play first.
And Portugal after. I think we play Portugal, Hungary, and Germany.
Hot.
Yep.
All right. Baby's in a little pain from his vaccine.
Ah, my arm is killing me. I
Just
mean,
like me.
I feel the pain so bad,
Just like me.
but nothing to cry, nothing to. It's just the pain of the vaccine. That is, I can't use it. I can't use it. Can't use it. Can't use my arm. So why you laugh?
He just need to open his mouth and I start laughing. You're too
That's
funny.
not as funny as what I said earlier.
It's just the way you say it. Make it funny.
Thank you. So that's. I hope tomorrow when I wake up, I don't feel no more pain. I don't believe it.
No, that won't be the case. It will still hurt.
If it's
Up
hard too bad, I
until-
take a painkiller. They tell me the other place
Yes,
that I
you
can
can.
take a
It's just
painkiller.
nobody try to tough it out like how I tough it out, cause you're fragile like
I'm
cardboard.
tougher
Bob.
than you.
You're gonna try to prove a point.
I'm tougher than you.
Alright, tough cookie, you're fragile like. Anyway, you guys, I'm not gonna sit here and listen to this man fool. I'm gonna go to my bed. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Why are you looking at me like that?
No, I'm not looking at you. I'm looking at the TV beside you. They have a big pizza on the TV. I was looking at the big pizza on the TV. Achoo!
Friday coming up, don't worry. You've been actually having a flexible week. That's what you're getting up for.
I took a pictures today.
Honey, is something you're gonna show them?
I can show them. Pictures of
Of your food?
Yeah.
Babe went out to eat with his team at work.
Look, that's
And he
my
was
gnocchi.
pretty excited to get his
Ooh, I get
gnocchi and blue
gnocchi.
cheese.
Cheesy.
Turn it around and show them.
Gorgonzola gnocchi. That was the plate. I don't know if you see. Funny enough, I was thinking about this gnocchi with gorgonzola sauce. I don't know why, since like a week, 10 days, exactly what I fell for. I went on different Italian restaurants trying to find that. I also said to myself, I need to look at the recipe.
Even yesterday we
and
were on the
try
road
to-
and you were talking about it.
Yeah, I was saying I need to go online, look at
Look
the
at
recipe,
the mouth watering.
and make it myself. So I went to the restaurant today, and when I saw it on the menu,
You're like,
I was just wow.
He called me
Even
and he said,
even
"Honey,
if
guess what I got?"
they tell me like, okay, you can spend 50 euro as your budget for your lunch, whatever you take. It can't be more than 50 euro. And the gnocchi or the gorgonzola was one of the cheapest thing on the corner. So me not care. Me not trying to go to top my budget. Me just want this. I think if I didn't take the gnocchi, I would have regretted it.
Your baby would mark.
Yeah. You will have a mark coming out. Here a gnocchi.
Who?
Here you have a gnocchi, and here you have a cheese, a blue cheese. So, yeah. So that's what I ate today. Blue cheese. Gnocchi at gorgonzola sauce. My goodness. If somebody know how to make that, I travel the world to see you. Yes.
You finished?
Yes.
You feel better?
Oh, yes.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. I can't breathe.
How was the mommy? How was that?
I love me said me and this dear man boss. Honey, you're too funny. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment
Thumbs up.
down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Me never expect that.